Hey everybody, doing the glow plugs today on the 2007 Duramax LBZ. I sprayed them with penetrating fluid and just drove the truck hot for a while. I'm gonna start getting after them. I'm gonna go with the harder side, driver's side first, and I'll show you what I do. There's 3, and then number 4 right there. Really helps to take the wheel off. So let's get into it. First, remove the negative cables on both batteries with an 8, and then with that same 8, we're gonna go in there and start taking the nuts off of each of these glow plugs. Again, 8mm, and I'm gonna be using this, and also a short wrench with 1/4-inch shallow sockets as well, combination of that. And for the actual plugs themselves, we'll be using some deep sockets. Okay, first one's out. The nut was a little bit rusty, but it came off just fine. Again, I used this, it's an 8mm. And then the glow plug itself came out just fine. 12-point deep 1/4-inch drive. And it came out really easily, so keep on chugging on. All right, we got all 4 out in probably, I don't know, less than 10 minutes. All of the plugs came out with this guy. All the nuts came out with that. And they weren't bad. You can just finagle your tools up and around, use a light, make sure you have patience. You know, make sure you eat something before you do this job. Like, don't force nothing. It fits. I got them out. I just did it in like 10 minutes, okay? So anyways, next I'm gonna be cleaning up those terminals. See how rusty orange they are? Wire wheel them a little bit. And then I have a reamer tool, which I'll show you here in a second. All right, so this is that reamer tool. I'm just gonna put it in by hand into each glow plug hole and move it around by hand. I'm not gonna go crazy on it with a drill or something. It's supposed to break up any carbon, both inside of the chamber there and then more towards the shoulder. So it's gonna go in lightly. I didn't notice a ton of carbon buildup, like chunks on the edges of these, just black carbon. So try it out. All right, so I just used it on all 4, and I mean, I didn't really get much carbon at all. There was a little bit on the tips, but I could hear it squeaking. I could hear the shoulders squeaking in there on the end, and I didn't really hit a ton. Truck dependent, I have 200,000 miles, but yeah, better safe than sorry, I guess. All right, I cleaned up the terminals on all 4. I cleaned up the nuts on all 4. I really should have bought new nuts, but I did not. However, I cleaned up the ends of them. I've got my 4 new plugs here, and I'm gonna throw on just a tad of anti-seize, just a tad, copper anti-seize, just a tiny little bit on the threads. And I'm gonna go in, put them in there hand tight. I know it's like 15 foot-pounds or something, but I felt how tight they were coming out. I also can't fit a torque wrench up in here and deal with the 1/4-inch conversion and stuff. So 15 foot-pounds is not a lot. Hand tight. I know that putting anti-seize on there makes it seem like it's going in tighter or further because there's stuff on the threads. I get that. However, I never want to break off a glow plug ever in my life, so I'm doing it. And same exact thing on the other side. Obviously, these are way easier to get to. 2, 3, and I just got that one out. So I'm gonna do the same thing, pull them off, clean up these terminals. They're all rusty and shit. Clean those up. Put a little bit of anti-seize on the new plugs and nuts, and then put everything back together, start the truck, check for any codes, and that's really about it. So short video, but thanks for watching. So I wanted to show the glow plugs that I took out, and they really weren't too bad. I mean, that one was probably the worst. There was a couple that were kind of hard to get off at the tip, but they weren't really bad. There was no rust here in the threads. It was always just right here on the nut. And then also something else to kind of know about is that I was worried about breaking off the tips of these, but those are the ceramic ones on the L5Ps. These are metal. So don't worry about when you take them out or when you put them in. Like, these are metal. So just FYI, wanted to throw that in there.